How to cancel your Metro by T-Mobile account online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply turn off your AutoPay. So simply log into your account on the application. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply log into your portal, like I said, then disable the automatic billing. So for that, tap on the account right here and then go to your payment and make sure that automatic billing is turned off. After doing that, all you need to do is simply call the Metro by T customer service, and then from there you need to now obtain your account number and port pin if you if you are keeping your number. So after getting that PIN and account number, all you need to do is simply let that account close. So allow the service cycle to lapse, and then from there it will close permanently after 30 days of inactivity of your account. So you can get that PIN number and account number to somewhere else carrier, and then they will be able to activate your number through their carrier. And like I said, there's nothing else you need to do. After 30 days of inactivity, your Metro by T-Mobile account will automatically get collapsed. So that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.